Updating your credit card information on CockroachDB Cloud is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the CockroachDB Cloud website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Billing Settings. Once logged in, locate the Billing or Account Settings section in the main menu. Click on it to access your billing information. Step 3. Select Payment Method. In the billing settings, find the option for payment methods or credit card information. Click on this option to view your current payment details. Step 4. Update credit card information. Click on the Edit or Update button next to your existing credit card information. Enter the new credit card details as required, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 5. Save changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily keep your credit card information up to date on CockroachDB Cloud. Regular updates help ensure uninterrupted service and billing accuracy.